Hello and welcome to this series on Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. In this series I will be using Microsoft Word 2013 on a Windows 10 operating system. First things first, we will discuss the layout of Microsoft Word. Now, up above here you have different tabs, and if you select a tab you get a drop-down ribbon consisting of functional area groups which contains tools. Therefore, under the Home tab, in the Font functional area group, you get a tool called Font Size. You can display the name as well as a shortcut and a short description of the tool by just hovering over the tool itself. Now we will just go through all of these functional area groups and what they are for. Now, under the Home tab, you have Font, which has everything to do with your font. You have Paragraph, where you can change the alignment as well as table settings, and you can hide and show the paragraph marker. You also have Style settings. These will be discussed in a later video. Under the Insert tab, you can insert a page break, a table, a symbol, equation, a page number, or a cross-reference. In the Design tab, there are pre-formatted documents for you to use. I do not recommend using them at all. In Page Layout, you can change the orientation of your pages as well as the spacing and indentations. These are for printing. In your References, you can insert a table of contents, a citation, a cross-reference, or a bibliography, or even a caption for a figure, a table, or an equation. We will not be using the mailing section. You will only use the review section for group work. Here you can suggest changes to the document, and other group members can either accept or reject these changes. You can also add or remove comments from this document. The View section has everything to do with the layout of your personal Microsoft Word. You can add or remove the ruler at the top and at the sides by just checking or unchecking the ruler box. I recommend using the ruler. Now, what if you want to add or remove one of these tabs at the top? You will have to select File, Options. Then you need to go to Customize ribbon, and over here is a column called Main Tabs. If you check the Developer and click OK, you will see that the Developer tab has now appeared at the top. This is your interaction with Visual Basic for applications, only for experienced Word users. I will now discuss the paragraph marker, which is indicated by a pulcro symbol. You can find it under Home, Paragraph, and the pulcro symbol. So you just click it to activate it, and then at the end of each paragraph this pulcro will appear. You will also note that between each word, when you have entered space, there appears a dotted line in the middle of the word. This makes error spotting very easy. What you will also note is if you enter, you basically created a new paragraph and a new pulcro will appear. It is very important that there must not be any pulcros between your paragraphs, because if there are, it means you are using enter to space your paragraphs, which you should not use. You should use the line and paragraph spacing to do this, but we will discuss this in a later video. When you have selected that the paragraph marker is visible, you can also spot tables by using it. It's just another symbol, and this symbol will appear in each cell and at the end of each row. So when there are multiple rows, there are multiple of these symbols at the right hand corner of your table. This is all for today's video. Please see the next video on line spacing and paragraph spacing.